Hello everyone, welcome to my channel English with Kavya. So this is me Kavya and I am from village and I am English language learner. I learn English. So friend, you know what friend, when I was not into English, so I thought if a person who speaks English, he must be rich and he must have highly educated. He must be highly educated and from city. And I had this thinking, but after watching so many videos of villagers, I believed that, but I was not fully agreed. I kept watching villagers video, but I didn't start my English learning journey. Then when I started speaking English, I believed that yes, um, villager can also speak English, and but it was not easy for me to start English learning journey. And when I was when I used to speak in front of my family members, so I was too shy. I was scared and I was too shy. What if they laugh at me? What if they judged me? Even though they didn't understand, still I was shy and I was scared. So, anyhow, I did it. I don't know how I did it because I didn't imagine that I would speak English, right? So, by doing practicing, yeah, anyone can speak English because this is our thinking that if a person speaks English, he must be knowledgeable, right? But English is not about knowledge. It is a language, right? So anyone can learn any language, right? So yes, this was my thinking, and you know what? Uh, I had one channel where I was uploading English videos, but due to technical issue, I had to delete my channel. So when villagers in my village, people watched my videos, so they were shocked. How can she speak English? Because she lives in village, so how can she speaks English? We had this thinking. Every villager think like this, right? So one of them, he messaged me and he was saying, "Oh my God, you speak English, and please teach me." So yeah, this happened with me, and friend, if you are also from village and if you are learning English, so don't be shy, speak as much as you want and don't worry about people. Yes, some people, when you speak, some people laugh at you, but don't worry about them because you are doing your practice, right? So in my case, it didn't happen. When people knew about my English, that I make video and upload on YouTube, so people supported me and they appreciated my English. So it didn't happen with me, but uh, some people did think wrong because, and you know what? Some say, uh, I mean, very awkward words, right? So don't think about them, and please enjoy your learning journey. I i didn't enjoy much, but now I am enjoying. Earlier, anyhow, any cost, I had to speak English. So earlier I kept thinking about English whenever I do my work, or whenever I was free. So I kept thinking about only on English. So I didn't enjoy much, but now I'm enjoying. I made burden. So please don't make burden and enjoy your English learning journey, because it will gone, so it will not come again. So please enjoy every moment of learning English, right? So, yeah, it initially you might feel difficulties, but once you start speaking, once you do practice consistently, then definitely you will be able to speak English and you will feel proud of yourself. So just keep practicing and keep speaking English. So yeah, that's all for today. So I'll meet in next video.